Hey, so how to install BitMart crypto exchange app on iOS on iPhone? So just tap get. So this is the app. It's in the top charts in finance. Then you just confirm the Touch ID. Um, yep, and I think this app was founded back in 2017, but recently it started really trending. However, as you can see, ratings are not that high. People write that it's like promising exchange, very polished, but maybe there are still some issues. Anyways, it's still in the top charts, so it is worth a review. And then there you have it, you're inside of the app. So here you can super easy buy and sell Bitcoin and many other crypto assets. For example, let's see if you can buy and sell Doge. So yeah, you can easily, I think, do that. But you will need to sign up here. So there you have it. That's how it works. That's how you install app on iOS. Please like this video so more people can discover this super cool polished app, and subscribe to my channel to get more notifications about amazing apps.